SAIC Volkswagen's latest facelift, the new Lamando L, not only meticulously designed its exterior and interior, but also introduced a GTS version with enhanced sporting genes, arguably instilling a dose of sporty in younger consumers. From an aesthetic perspective, the front end has undergone relatively significant changes. The diagonal light strip, spearheaded by the Volkswagen logo, merges with a flatter, sharper light cluster, eliminating the outgoing model's curved shape, creating a more aggressive visual effect. The exaggerated large-mouthed grille of the front bumper presents a more streamlined line, diminishing the previous smiley face feel and bringing it closer to Volkswagen's latest family language. The unique curved chrome trim, the front lip chrome strip, and the fog light pod air intake further enhance the front fascia's recognizability. In terms of body design, the new car retains the family's previous fastback design, with hidden door handles and large wheels that perfectly reflect the coupe atmosphere. Viewed from the rear, the through-hole taillights embrace a new family style. Despite being simpler than the outgoing model, the technological feel remains intact. The concave lines of the trunk, the upward-sweeping ducktail, and the curved chrome trim on the bumper enhance the sporty atmosphere. The Lamando L GTS version can be said to have added numerous sporty elements compared to the standard version. These include a large grille with a smoked finish, additional deflector blades, black exterior mirror caps, and pure black wheels, all of which are quite impressive. Combined with the dual exhaust outlets on either side of the rear, it evokes the little steel ball feel. Regarding the interior, the new car has undergone a significant layout change. The previous dual screens have been replaced with two large, floating LCD screens, one large, the other small. The central control display has been increased in size and equipped with new vehicle systems. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 8155 chip provides a smooth foundation, while deeply integrated AI-powered models enhance the smart experience and support multiple mobile phone connections. The ambient light strip and sports steering wheel remain. In terms of power, it will be offered in two power options. The standard version features a 1.5T engine with a maximum output of 118 kilowatts, while the GTS version features a 2.0T engine with a maximum output of 162 kilowatts and a maximum torque of 350 Nm. Equipped with a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, the vehicle's power output is quite strong. The mid-term facelift has been optimized in many ways, particularly the launch of the GTS version, which properly reinforces its sports coupe positioning. At the same time, the smart cockpit and powertrain have been updated, demonstrating stronger product strength and competitiveness, laying a solid foundation for strong sales after its launch.